Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn canvas painting on we are making Ganesha for canvas painting. It's a fourth painting of Ganesha. It's available on my YouTube channel and I there is a playlist also. Those who understand Hindi language they can see watch same video in Hindi. Go on playlist, watch Ganesha canvas painting in Hindi. So you can watch all the paintings in Hindi and English, both the language on same YouTube channel. So I'm using yellow ochre color and white color in the background. I'm using lots of watercolor to give some kind of texture of it for this. Then I use burnt sienna plus black color, so give some depth or dark tone in the background. Okay, so after this I'm using flat brush and more of dark color. Okay, so burnt sienna plus black, I'm using two colors and lemon yellow to give some freshness over there, and I'm using yellow ochre color for the legs. So it's just a plain coloring first, and then later on you can add lemon yellow and brown color, burnt sienna color basically for the shading purpose. And always use Camel Artist acrylic color. You can use any other brand, but Camel I found very good colors. And use tube color, not bottle colors. Bottle colors are made for the craft purpose, but this for the canvas, this tube color artist acrylic colors are the best colors. Okay, then I'm giving orange color in some part of body, and then I'm using red color, crimson red color plus little bit of brown color in the body portion. Okay, so you can see here some shading and blending technique I'm using. If you don't know the blending, you can go and subscribe for my YouTube channel, as well as you can purchase the course from my website, that is harshartcreation.com, and you can learn from basic oil pastel to canvas painting. Everything, poster color, watercolor, everything is there. Okay, so now I'm using black color for the trunk and some shading in ear, you can see that, and cobalt blue in the some part of between ear and face. Okay, and you can see there is a huge border. I kept it white only because I want to keep their black color and give some 3D look for my painting. So I'm using black color and round brush and giving bold outline. The outline plays the very big role in such kind of canvas painting. Those are kind of creative, or you can say abstract kind of paintings, but it's not exactly abstract, you can say creative painting. Those we can easily understand, right? So black outline using round brush for everywhere. Even you have to draw fingers and legs. If my speed is little fast, so you can pause the video, complete your work, and then again play your video if you're watching and doing simultaneously. But if you're not doing, still subscribe my channel. You'll get lots of information about canvas colors, acrylic colors, and lots of other things. Okay, if you have any question, you can comment below and you can ask me the questions. And if you like the video, please like, hit the button and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe also. Okay, and let me know what you like in this painting. I like the especially this mouse is looking awesome. And once we remove that masking tape, okay, masking tape, after masking tape, it's look amazing. You can see the perfect border, like very sharp kind of things over here. You can see now, if once I remove the black, oh, there's a color on beside, so I'm using white color to give some more finishing in the background. Okay, and let me know what type of painting you'd like to learn or see on my YouTube channel. Please comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe the channel. Bye friends, see you in the next video.